Not only are these procedures helpful for problems within the joint itself, but they're also helpful for improving pain symptoms that stem from other parts of the joint, such as tendons, ligaments, or other muscle structures that can also contribute to pain and mobility issues. What are some of the procedural alternatives for knee replacement surgery? Here at Regenexx Pittsburgh, we pride ourselves on providing patients with procedures that not only don't involve surgery, but are also very minimally invasive and help people with reduced rehabilitation times and getting back to life and getting out of pain faster. The main treatment that we utilize here is called our Regenexx SD procedure. This procedure involves utilizing your own bone marrow concentrate that contains your live stem cells to inject these into the knee and into the bone structure to help with reducing pain and improving function. Recent studies have shown that these types of procedures can actually help with improving pain symptoms and reducing patients' need for surgery for up to 15 years after the procedures. Not only are these procedures helpful for problems within the joint itself, but they're also helpful for improving pain symptoms that stem from other parts of the joint, such as tendons, ligaments, or other muscle structures that can also contribute to pain and mobility issues. These procedures are also helpful for meniscus issues and can help people to avoid more minimally invasive surgeries that cut out meniscus tissue and can actually cause worsening arthritis over time. Another type of treatment that we utilize is something called Regenexx SCP, which utilizes platelets from your blood that help with improving inflammation in the knee and can help with also treating things like ligament tears, muscle tears, or tendon tears that may contribute to pain and limit function in the knee as well. You may find this commonly referred to as PRP or platelet-rich plasma in the community. The big difference with Regenexx is that we can concentrate our platelet injections much higher than most other facilities and other practices, and we can utilize those higher concentrations to better treat the joint and the structures within the joint. We also pride ourselves on a comprehensive evaluation, so we know that it's not a one-size-fits-all treatment for everybody, and we're actually treating the problems that are contributing to your pain all throughout the knee.